Am I the only one that didn't know Secure Boot is needed for Windows 11? If you've got a Lenovo Ideapad Gaming 3, stick with me. Getting Secure Boot on is way easier than it sounds. Let's do this step by step. First things first, save your important files just in case. Next, check your drive by pressing Windows plus X, then Disk Management, and make sure your partition style is GPT. If it says MBR, you'll need to convert it before continuing. Restart your laptop and press F2 when the Lenovo logo pops up to open the BIOS. Can't get in? Try F1, F10, or head through Windows Advanced Startup. In the BIOS, use the arrow keys to the Security tab. Find Secure Boot and switch it to On. If you see Restore Factory Keys, select it. Make sure boot mode is UEFI, not Legacy. Save changes, exit the BIOS, and let your laptop restart. Back in Windows, press Windows plus R, type msinfo32, and check. Secure Boot state should say On. Congrats, you're now more secure.